हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट क्लास में हमने साइंस का लेसन नंबर 6 हीट एंड टेम्परेचर पढ़ा था, बुक से एक्सप्लेन किया था। आज हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे। ए पार्ट है टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट, द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस ऑफ अ बॉडी इज मेजर्ड बाय इट्स बी टेम्परेचर। सेकेंड, द थर्मामीटर यूज्ड टू मेजर बॉडी टेम्परेचर इज सी क्लिनिकल thermometer. Third, heat transfer in solids occur through C. conduction. Fourth, which among the following is an insulator? C. bakelite. Fifth, a clinical thermometer has markings from D. 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Sixth, convection of heat takes place only in B. liquids. Seventh, if you are sitting near a fire, you will get heat by, answer is C, radiation. Eighth है sea and land breezes. B, answer है B, are caused by currents set up in air due to convection. B part है fill in the blanks. First, insulators do not allow heat to flow through them. Second, land and sea breezes are caused due to convection. Third, black color is a good absorber of heat. Fourth, radiation does not require any material medium. Fifth, the kink in a clinical thermometer prevents the backflow of mercury into the bulb. Sixth, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, heat flows from a body of a higher temperature to a lower temperature body. True. Second, heat transfer by convection takes place in solids, liquids and gases. False. Third, medium is necessary for the transfer of heat by conduction. यह है true. Fourth, when air moves from land to sea, it is called sea breeze. False. Fifth, a clinical thermometer can measure the temperature of boiling water. False. D. Answer each in few words only. Question number 1. Name any two sources of heat. Answer is volcanic eruption or burning of fuels. Second, name the mode of transfer of heat from the sun to the earth. Answer है radiation. Third, is copper a conductor or an insulator? Answer is copper is a conductor. Fourth, what is used to make the handles of cooking utensils? Answer wood or bakelite. Fifth, what is filled inside the glass bulb of a clinical thermometer? Answer है mercury. E part, answer each in one or two sentences. Question number 1. Why does the water taken from the geyser feel hot? Answer is water taken from the geyser is hotter as compared to our normal body temperature. On touching this hot water, heat flows from the water to our hand. As a result, we feel hot. Question number 2. Identify two conditions that are necessary for the conduction of heat. Answer. Two conditions are A. A difference of heat exists between two bodies or two ends of the same body. B. The two bodies at different points are in direct contact with each other. Question number 3. List two characteristics of convection. Answer. Two characteristics of convection are A. For heating by convection process to take place, material medium is necessary. B. For transmission of heat through convection, actual movement of particles of that medium is essential. Question number 4. A clinical thermometer has markings in the short range only. Why? Answer. A clinical thermometer has markings in the short range between 95 degree Fahrenheit to 110 degree Fahrenheit because the clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a human body. It is based on the principle that liquids expand on heating and contract on cooling. The temperature is measured in degrees Celsius. Question number 5. What is the use of kink in clinical thermometer? Answer. The use of kink in clinical thermometer is to prevent mercury from flowing back into the bulb when the thermometer is taken out of the patient's body, so the doctor can read the temperature without hurrying up. यहाँ पे आपका चैप्टर ये फिनिश होता है। एक्सरसाइज एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ये सारे आपको अपनी कॉपी में करने हैं और इसे लर्न करने हैं।